Hello, everyone, and welcome. Here I'm going to open up. This one's from 3000 Toys, the new Auto World release, 3000toys.com. I'm going to have a comparison between two different websites here. Um, this is my first time ordering from these guys. Lots of peanut foam everywhere, but down in the bottom is the case. There we go. These are the two cases, set A and set B. Sorry, well, I'm going to gyrate because I'm trying to rip them out and do so much. It's late at night. These have been sitting in the mail waiting on me for probably over a week. But anyways, I'm wrestling with it. This is my Hot Wheels room here. So my smaller deep freeze. I'm going to cut these open, let y'all get a look inside, see if we find a ultra red. So here, this is 3000 Toys. Y'all look inside the box. It's a bit dark. I figured I'd just get it up now. I'll probably show these in a little while, maybe later or something. But there you go. Sharp looking Mustang, sharp looking package. The art looks real nice. Oh, very nice. And black, and there it is. Barracuda in black. Yes, sirree. There we go. The Oldsmobile. Of course, I have a bunch of these. I think I showed y'all the Oldsmobiles from, oh, look at the pickup. Square body, looking sharp. Yes, sirree. Looking sharp. There's the Ford. Oh, 3000 Toys. Came right off the card. Let's see. There it is in the box. No damage, though. All them packing peanuts. And see, Auto World. They keep their vehicles well sealed anyways. So there's no big deal. I don't really consider that a negative against 3000 Toys. Here, gonna open the second set, or the other set. There we go. Let's get it open. What I'm doing is, I'm just recording this in case I find an ultra red. Boy, that threw me for a loop. I actually thought that was an ultra red. But I actually seen this hanging on the pegs at Walmart last night, along with the brown Dodge Dart Phoenix. This one. But I didn't get them because I knew I had these at the mailbox. And here is the square body Chevy. Ooh, look at that, sweet and black. Can't go wrong with that. And the Mustang fastback. Looking good, looking good. So far from this 3000 Toys, no ultra red. And there's the gray Ford pickup in the second case. And here is the Barracuda, looking nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do a closer analysis. And here is this other company. I worked for neither one of these. I ordered from both, just to see. This is a www dot, what is it called? Diecast models. Well, that's weird because I ordered from Diecast Wholesale. Well, it's called Diecast Models Wholesale. But there it is. Either way, I'm just comparing the two companies. Or really, I'm just shooting. I'm gonna offload these anyways on a friend, and it'll make up for it. But I'm hoping to find an ultra red out of them, or I may just put these in a vault, as some people like to say. But here is a second case, gray pickup. Yeah, Ford looks nice. It's modern. I don't know why they went that route, but either way, it still looks good. Let's see what else. Square body in black. That looks sharp. You can't go wrong with that either. Here you go. Look, see. Let's get the one from, show you guys. It's two different companies. Where did it go? Here we go. 3,000 toys. See? Same. Cool. Sweet deal. Yeah, that's looking nice. I love everything Autoworld puts out, so getting extras don't matter. I may order another 2 cases of this. There's the Mustang. Ooh. Oh, look at there. Ultra Red. So I got an Ultra Red out of this Diecast wholesale company. Cool. Sweet job. Sweet deal. Oldsmobile. Wish it had been a pickup. That would have been cooler, but nonetheless, an Ultra Red is an Ultra Red. Let's get this other box open. This other set. That'd be nice if I open this set and it has a Ultra Red in it. But here we go. Blue. I just figured I did this because I never show you guys if I order stuff, what I ordered or what's up with that. But here you go. And there you go. I actually like this wholesale better. And there you go. Another Mustang. And the Barracuda in black. That looks just sweet. And yep, another Oldsmobile. I got a lot of stuff to show you guys. Hot Wheels, the car, all kinds. But I'll get around to it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in a little while.